Hey there, I am Mario Bartholomew and I'm about to unveil the secrets of how to start affiliate marketing. But wait, to show you, I've got something really special, an exclusive free offer, an ebook or cheat sheet revealing how you can kickstart your journey. Let's jump into the exciting world of possibilities. And not to worry, the free book or cheat sheet I'm offering here was really a game changer for me. It's perfect for anyone looking to dive into this lucrative online money-making venture. Firstly, I want to share my short story on how I got involved with affiliate marketing. We all wish to let go of our 9-to-5 jobs, work from home and be anywhere, anytime on our own terms. For me, during the pandemic, working from home seemed like a dream come true. More time with family, no tiresome commutes, no office politics. However, despite working from home, I found myself spending even more time in front of my laptop than I ever expected. What's more, I grappled with feelings of guilt. You know what it's like when you walk away from your laptop and you decide to do some gardening or go shopping right in the middle of the day. I realized that, I couldn't, I really had to be in front of my laptop pretty much all day, sometimes up to 12 hours. So during all that, I wondered, how can I put all this energy into becoming my own boss rather than being a remote or hybrid employee? So first I tried trading in cryptocurrency, but of course I faced many risks and market volatility, and it was very risky on your savings. It was amazing during a bull market, just hold and watch. But when the crypto winter came, the only strategy left was smarter trading. But trading was not my thing, so I decided to be a crypto holder and wait until the next bull run. I insisted to myself I needed something else to complement my crypto. So what else could have I done? I decided to explore e-commerce. It was either that or redoing my resume and going back out on the job market. But I certainly did not want that. With e-commerce, I started looking at drop shipping. I did an online course. I spent months building my own store, finding my niche, and designing a strategy to find my winning product. I really enjoyed building the store, selecting the products and all the design aspects. I think that was the cool part. But the part I did not enjoy was the time it took me to get traction and traffic. When some sales started, it was exciting, but then the customer complaints came in. Dealing with all the suppliers was really challenging. There were long shipping times, and worst of all for me was the funding on Facebook and Google ads. These were really tricky. It drained my savings, and I never got to understand the algorithm. In the end, this wasn't either for me. Then I decided, why not look at marketing affiliate? So I began to explore Amazon affiliates. I spent time there, but the commissions were too low and competition too high. I needed something even better. So finally, I found the game changer. I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing. And the key, most important point here is that we're selling other people's digital products, so you can just download them online. And these products have high commissions. The advantages and risks are low. There's low investment and it's highly scalable. I targeted commissions between 30 and 100% of advertised product sale value. The best part is you're free from product inventory. No products to manage, no supplies to deal with, no shipping delays, no customer complaints or customer service to deal with. I really found what I was looking for. And this ebook really helped me. So if you're ready to take the first step, just look at this amazing free book offer I have that helps you to get started. I'll show you here. So here it is. To get your free book, visit my site, mariobartholomew.com, or you can scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments to get to the same site your free ebook gift. The free proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So remember, I mentioned throughout the video, you don't need a product. You are selling other people's product. You need very little experience, and certainly you don't need to be a tech expert. So visit my site and click the free book download, and you'll be on your journey saying goodbye to your 9-to-5 job, create passive income, shows you how to build a life of complete time and financial freedom, work from anywhere at any time, and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which is what allowed me to have my freedom and do what I need to do anytime, anywhere. Thank you. So, as a reminder, please scroll down below this video and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description to get your free ebook that will show you how to start affiliate marketing. Thank you for listening to my video.